those who have downloaded the app, I hope all of you have received the login credentials for Impartus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What else? Please respond in the chat box. I hope most of you have received, all of you have received the login credentials from Impartus. Please let us know if you haven't received the credentials.
No, sir, I have not received the credentials.
Okay, so Soumyadeep, have you checked the your registered email ID which you have given to college?
I have, and I'm checking it right now. At the moment, I don't. Wait a second. No, I don't. I don't see any email. Can you at
Okay,
least tell me? What will be the subject so that I can search it, and if it's in spam or somewhere else.
uh, login credential from Impartus. Others who have received it, can you tell the subject name of the email?
Yeah, it will be your login credential for Impartus. And it's better if you can search by Impartus the keyword. You'll directly get it.
Got it. Got it. Thanks, Shustit. Thanks.
You got
You're
the
most
email,
welcome.
Soumyadeep?
Yeah, yeah. I found it. I found it.
Got it. Thanks. Others as well, please check. Please check in the spam box as well. Uh, Dhruva Jyoti and others, please check. Okay, I think we can start now. Okay, those who have downloaded the Impartus app, I request you all to do the login. Or also, if you are going to attend the classes through laptop or desktop devices, then you can use the URL as I'm sending it in the chat box, a.impartus.com. The URL which you have to use is a.impartus.com. If you are going to join the classes from laptop or desktop devices, this is a URL which you have to use. So this will be the consistent thing. You just bookmark it if it is required. So the URL is a.impartus.com. Okay, I'll show you the process. Just a moment. I'm sharing my screen.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Sohini.
Sir, you have to put the email ID and password of my Google ID.
Not for the Google ID. You have to enter enter the login credential which has been provided to you over the email ID. Have you
Good
received the
morning.
credential?
So, a week before, you must have received a credential with login and password from Impartus.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm checking that.
Yes, it will be nearly a week. So, last week, Wednesday, you must have received it. Please check it.
Sir, I have also not received the mail.
So, who have not received the mail, please contact the your college staff, and they can let us know the name so that we will resend the credential. Please update the mail ID once again to your staff by end of the
Sir,
day today.
sir,
Sir, what will be the name
no.
receiving the email ID?
So please search by Impartus, Impartus in the subject.
Okay.
It will be from no reply. Please search in spam also.
Sir, can I put email ID and password?
No, just
For
search
first.
with Impartus,
Yes, sir, I found it.
Impartus.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Then we will
Others,
put this login ID and password into that app, right?
correct.
Just
Correct.
wait for the moment. So Aman Verma will be taking you through with all the proceeding. What you have to do with the login ID and credentials. So
Okay.
wait for the session. As of now, who have not received the mail from Impartus, please contact your staff with the updated mail ID so that by end of the day, so by tomorrow you will receive the updated credential.
Okay, sir.
And before reaching out to the coordinators, I request you to thoroughly check your email, the spam box, or either in the inbox as well. You must have received the credentials. There might be very rare instances where the students have not received the credentials. Otherwise,
Sir,
you all must
fine.
have received it.
Sir, find it also. I'm
Yeah.
checking it. Thank you.
So I'm just sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir, it's fully visible.
Okay. Correct. So the first thing, just to start the session, I would like to tell you. So as of now, going forward, your classes will be going to be taken on Impartus platform. It is a video learning platform. Through it's similarly like Zoom or Teams in the platform through on which you have been taking the classes till now. So similarly, now the classes will be is going to happen on this platform, Impartus platform. The URL is a.impartus.com. Please note down the URL is a.impartus.com. So the step which I'm showing you right now, this is for the users who are going to use the laptop or desktop devices. So you just have to use the Google Chrome browser. The first step is you always have to use Google Chrome browser. Second, write the URL is a.impartus.com. So once you type the URL, it will ask you for the login ID and the password. So you all must have received the login ID and password. Enter the login ID, enter the password, and click on login. Once you click on login, so this will be the dashboard which will come up in front of you. Over here, the first step which I'll tell you is how you can join a live class or the class which is currently going on, how you can enter into that particular class. So over here on the right hand side, you can see a column with the name of live classes. Over here under this, as of now, there is only one class which is scheduled for me. So I have logged in as a student, Aman Verma as a student. So under this, there is only one class which is going on, training by Aman Verma. This is a subject name. In your case, it might be operation management, financial management, marketing management, or any other subject for which you have to take the class. Then this is a topic name. So training with SVIMS, and the professor is Aman Verma. So the student is Aman Verma and the professor is Aman Verma. But in your case, it will be a realistic thing. So your name will be there on the top right hand side, and here your professor name will be there. Then under this, the date and time will be given. So over here, what you just have to do, you just have to log in and click on join. Once you click on join, you will directly land up into the live session. Just click on join. So now you have entered into a live session. So over here, all the other participants of in your class will be available along with your teacher. Now what you have to do, let's suppose so there are over here you won't have any default permission from the professor. Your professor has to give you the permission. So as of now, as you can see, I can turn on my microphone because my professor has given me the permission, but I can't turn on my camera because my professor has not given me the access. That is why it is grayed out. It's not something which I can turn on. Even if I try to click on it, it will not do anything. Also, I can share the screen because my professor has given me the access to share the screen. And also, let's suppose you have some query. So what you can do, you can just raise hand. So for this, your professor don't have to give any of the permission. You can just click on this. Your professor will get the notification that XYZ or your name will pop up to the teacher screen that this student has raised the hand. So once your query is clear, you can just lower the hand as well. So these are some of the important things which you have to just follow. Just don't tell teachers that you are not able to turn on the camera or the microphone. If you are not able to do it, it means your professor has not given you the access. So this is something which you have to keep in mind. Apart from it, it's a very simple platform. Over here on the right hand side, you can see the chat box. You can type any message, you can send any message in the chat box, and also you can see the participants. As of now, there are no participants. That is why you are not able to see any names. But if in your class there would be other participants, then all the names would be visible to you. You can just minimize the chat box. You can just take a view of the full screen. This is how the view which you are going to get. This is the view of the actual class on Impartus platform. If there is any query on this platform in this part, please let me know. Please let me know if you have any query on
Sir,
this one. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Is recording allowed in this platform?
I'll come on the recording part. All so just to answer it, all the sessions which will happen on the Impartus platform will be by default recorded. You don't have to do any recording. By default, it will be recorded each and every session. I'll show you how you can access that part as well. I'll just cover it in the next step.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'm just closing this particular window. I hope this point is clear to everyone. I'm just closing it. So now I came back on the Impartus dashboard. So that was the live platform, and now this is the Impartus dashboard. So over here there are other features as well. So first, and how you can see your schedule. So you can just click on your name on the top right hand side, click on it, click on my schedule, and over here you can see the schedule month wise, day wise, or week wise. So as of now, for this month I have only one class as a student, but last month in October there was several classes which are scheduled on my name. I can see that, and I can also watch the recorded version of it. I just clicked on it, and the recorded version of that session, I have directly came on the recorded session of that particular point of that particular session. I'll just click on back. It will ask me for this thing as well. Okay, now I'll come back on the main screen. How you can see the schedule? Click on your name on the top right hand side. Click on my schedule, and you can see the complete schedule of the month for the previous month as well. So this is how, if you want to access any of the recording, you can just click on this particular session, and the video will start playing. This is one way of watching the recorded sessions. Now the other way of watching the recorded sessions, we have a segregated way of watching the recorded sessions as well. So on the left hand side, extreme left hand side, you can see there are multiple subject name which are visible to us. So the first subject name is student training Sri Shikshayatan. So in your case, the subject, this is a subject folder. So the second subject is Demo by Aman Verma, admin training by Aman. So these all are the subject folder. In your case, it might be operation management, as I already told you, operation management, marketing management, or any other subject. And under this, you can see there are 14 lectures. And Demo by Aman Verma, there are total 31 lectures. So what I can do, let's suppose I have to watch the recording of this particular subject. I'll just click on it. All the recorded session will be visible in front of me. So you can see 31 lectures under the subject of Demo by Aman Verma. So I can look at any of the session which I want to go through. Okay, now there is another thing which I want to tell you. So it might be very difficult for you to figure it out what all has been. Just consider it as operation management subject. So it would be difficult for you to watch the recording under the operation management subject. How you can figure it out? You can just figure it out with the name of with the topic name. You can just figure it out. So under this, you can see Aman Verma lecture 30, and the topic is Demo with MT Educare. So I know what has been taught to me under operation subject under this particular lecture. So this access is with the teacher. So your teacher has to give the topic name. So what all has been taught during that lecture, your teacher can give the topic name over here. So it will be easy for you to figure it out what has been taught during that session. So how I can watch any particular session? I'll just click on this. The video, the recorded part of that particular session will start playing. So there will be total 3 views on the left hand side. On the left hand side, it will be the PPT view. On the center, it will be so it's just a moment. I'll show you another video. Just a moment. I'll show you a video which is relevant with the virtual classroom platform.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, in desktop mode,
Yes.
in desktop we can see like we can schedule like this way, but in app, how can we go for the schedule things? Because in setting we can't see the schedule in app.
There is a schedule, my schedule. Just a moment. I'll just log in from the mobile app and I'll show you. Just a moment.
Okay, sir.
In app also, you can see the schedule. Just click on the left hand side, top three top three vertical options, which is there. Just a moment. I'll show you. I'll just do a screen share from my mobile. I have to do some changes. Just a moment to show you that part.
Yes, sir. Please show us that how to join the classes from mobile phone.
Yes, yes. Just a moment. I'm showing. I'm logging in with that particular. Just a moment. Okay, I have logged in from my mobile phone. I'll just do a screen share. I hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks. So what I'll show, basically, this is the Impartus app. Where is it? There is- Okay, so I'll do a login. So this is the student view which I have right now. I hope this is visible to all. You all are following my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So right now, on the someone had a question how you can see the schedule on the mobile app. So just click on this particular option on left hand side top. This particular option, three vertical bars. Over here, you can just click on these. All options will be visible to you. Click on my schedule. So over here, you can see the complete schedule. It will be a day wise over here. So today I have a one class which is scheduled on me on 16th. So likewise, I can go back and see the previously recorded sessions as well.
So, but in iOS, this features is not this like there is no schedule thing is not showing. There are like profile, password,
Yes, sir. There
schedule.
is a blank full.
So
Yeah,
in iOS, there is no schedule thing is not showing to us. Showing to me
uh,
only.
what about the live class? Are you able to see the live class? The user
No, sir.
interface will be different in iOS.
Yes, sir. I can see the live class feeds and course, but I can't see the schedule thing.
Yes, sir.
What about you can see the
So
can you
nothing,
see
nothing, sir. Blank.
courses? Can you see the courses?
Everything is
No,
blank,
no,
sir.
no, no, sir. Sir, we
Yes,
have
sir.
not
I can see the
subscribed to
course
any
here. I
course
can
yet.
see the course. Yeah, what is there?
Correct, correct. So as of now, you're not able to see any courses under this because no subjects are mapped to you. But once the subjects are mapped to you and the classes will go on, this kind of folder will be visible to you in the iOS as well.
But sir, I'm talking about the schedule thing because sometimes we need to check the schedules also for that thing. That in iOS we can't see the schedule. So
Okay, just so okay, got it. So I need to figure it out. I need to check it on the iOS point of view about the my schedule. As of now, I don't have. I'm not aware about that particular thing. What I'll do, I'll get back to you. You can just drop down your number in the chat box, and I'll get back to you. You can elaborate this particular point to other students in the class as well. The
okay, sir.
iOS part, how you can see the schedule.
Okay, sir. I'm dropping my number in the chat box.
Done, done. Dharan, please take a note of the number of this. Your good name? What is your good name?
Sir, Subham Islam.
Okay, okay. Dharan, please jot down the number of.
Okay.
Okay. Just
Sir,
to
we
tell
have to
you,
select this lecture from this thing.
sorry, can you please repeat?
Yes, I'm telling that we have to, which we want to join the class, we have to select this lecture in the courses.
No, 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 no. So how you have to join the live class? I'll show you again. So just a moment. So over here, you just have to click on live. Under live, your ongoing classes will be reflecting to you. The classes which is ongoing, that only you can join because it means the time, the clock, these classes are already going on. That is why it is
Sir, the screen.
ongoing. Sorry,
The screen is not visible.
The screen is black. Basically, we cannot see anything.
just a moment. I hope my screen is visible to you now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Properly.
Okay. So just enter into the Impartus app. Over here, there is a live section on the third icon, and over here you can see a class is there which is ongoing, which sees it is ongoing in red color. So just click on it, and you'll directly land up into the live session which is going on.
Sir, but we can't see anything.
As of now, you are not seeing
Sir, we
anything
can't see
because
anything.
there is yes, because there is which is scheduled to you.
Sir, feed is no nothing. Course is nothing. More is nothing, sir. We can blank.
So
Um,
Pratik, so we have not scheduled anything for the students as of
oh,
now.
oh, acha,
It's
okay, okay,
only
sir.
as you know how the platform works. Your session most probably will start by tomorrow or Monday. Then only you will see your timetable.
Okay,
So
sir, perfect.
everyone can please log
Yeah.
out from your app and
Hmm.
concentrate on this video session alone.
Okay,
So
sir.
this all will be visible to you once the classes will be scheduled on your name. As of now, no classes has been scheduled. That is why everything is blank in your case. But for me, it is scheduled. That is why it is visible to me.
Sir, how can we get the recorded video from here in this
You just have to
mobile?
click on the courses part. Over here, you can see the subject folders. Under this, you can see demo session 14 lectures, demo session 31 lectures. So these all are the recorded sessions. So under this particular subject, demo by Aman Verma, there are 31 lectures. I'll just click on it. You can see there are all the sessions are visible to me. I can just click on any of the lecture and it will start playing like this.
Sir, they are. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, they are.
Can you please repeat?
Sir, we have to not record, sir.
No, no. By default, it will be recorded. All the sessions will be recorded on Impartus platform.
Sir, I get that point.
So, how can we join the live class from desktop?
From desktop, I initially showed you what are the process. You just have to use the URL as a.impartus.com. Enter your login ID and credential. On the top right hand side, there will be a live classes section, and it will ask you. There will be a option with the in blue color which says join. Just click on it. You will directly land up on the Impartus in the live class. Should I repeat the steps how you have to join?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a moment, I'll repeat. So there are two ways, there are two things which you have to do. One is for the users who are joining in from the mobile app, you just have to do the login, come on this particular dashboard, it will show you like this. Come on live section, click on the particular subject which is or on the ongoing class. Just click on it, you'll directly land up in the live class. This is for the mobile users. For the users who has to log in from the desktop or the laptop device, I'll show you. I have to log in again from my laptop. Just a moment.
Sir, first we
Logging
have
off.
to make ID, sir.
Hello.
ID is provided in your mail. Okay. That like your
Okay.
email address is your ID and password is also provided in your mailbox.
Actually, I don't I don't got it. That's why I asked.
Yes, sir. I
Search
don't
like
get email.
Okay, I'll repeat the
search.
step. Just a moment. I'll repeat the steps. There are several students who has joined the session late. I hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll repeat the steps. So basically, all the classes going forward, all the classes of yours will be happening on Impartus platform. So all of you must have received the login credentials. Those who have just joined the session, this particular session, please check your email. Please check your inbox, also the spam box, whether you have received the Impartus login credential or not. If not, then you can reach out to your coordinators. They'll help you out they'll help you out in getting the credentials. So for those who has received the credentials and are joining in from the desktop or the laptop device, use the Google Chrome browser. This is the first thing. Step 1, use Google Chrome browser. Step 2, use the URL as a.impartus.com. Please note down, use the URL as a.impartus.com. Click on enter. You'll land up on this particular page. It will ask you for your login ID and the password. These are the login ID and password which you have already received on your email. You just have to put that login ID, put those credentials. Click on login. You'll land up on this particular page. On the left hand side, you can see this is the subject folder, and you can see all the recorded session of your classes over here. Just click on it. All the sessions will be visible to you subject wise. And how you can log in to the live class, over here you can see a live classes section. Under this, all the live classes will be visible to you. As of now, there is only one class. That is why it is only showing me for this particular session. How I have to join? I just have to log in. First step. Second, I have to just click on join. I'll directly land up in the in my live class which is going on. So this is the live class which will be going on over here. All the participant, teachers, and everyone will be visible to you. Please let me know if this part is not clear to you.
Sir, recorded lecture part is not clear yet.
Okay. How you can watch the recorded lectures, I'll tell you again. So if you are logging in from laptop or desktop device, so over here on the left hand side, these all are the subject folders. Subject folder name is Student Training Shri Shikshayatan, Demo by Aman Verma, Aman Training, Admin Training by Aman. In your case, the name might be Operation Management, Marketing Management, Financial Management, or any other subject for which you generally used to take the classes. So just consider this Demo by Aman Verma as Operation Management subject. I'll just click on it. So over here, I can see total 31 lectures are available to me. Total 31 lectures are available to me. And these all are the sessions which are available. I can just click on any of the video and it will directly start playing. The recorded version of that session will start playing. Now let's suppose I have to watch this. I'll just click on it. The recorded session will directly start playing. I hope this point is clear.
You will have this
So you can see this recorded session of this particular video is playing.
pop-out feature, chat pop-out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear it.
And similarly, you can watch the steps for the mobile app would be a little bit different. So it's a very generic steps. I mean, you can see the schedule. Once you directly log in, you just have to click on live section. Under this, you can see you can join the live classes. If you have to see the recorded version, then you just have to click on the courses. All the courses will be visible to you, and you can just click on any of the course and the video, and you can see the recorded videos as well. Please let me know if you still have any other query.
Sir, Impartus
Yes.
will record our attendance, class attendance.
Yes, all the attendance will be by default. It will come in minute format. So let's suppose you have a session from 12 to 1, and what you do, you just join it from 12 to 12:10, and in the later half you just come to class at 12:50, and you are there in the class till 1. So you have only attended the session for 20 minutes. So a minute wise attendance report will go to your teachers as well as the management. They can fetch out the report, and they will have the fair understanding which student has attended the session for how long.
Sir, what is this a karma point, sir? Means it is
This,
performance.
yeah, it's I mean it is related to the performance, how much video you have uploaded, ignore.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Am I audible now? Sorry, I got a call in between. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, now.
Yeah. So I
Sir,
was
will you
saying
repeat again?
just ignore the karma point for the time being. Just focus on the how to attend the live classes and how you can watch the recorded sessions. That's all for that would be more than enough as of now. We'll cover that karma point and other activities which you can do, that we will cover up once you start attending the live classes. We'll do it in the next part of the training.
Sir, in these activities, an exam will also take place.
No, no, exams will not be conducted on this platform. We'll talk to management. I mean, how they want to proceed further on the examination point of view. The formal communication you'll receive from the college itself.
Okay, sir.
But as of now, only the live classes will be taking place from Impartus platform.
This is very good app, sir.
Correct, correct. Just start using it. I mean, I mean, there is no need of you to take the link or there. It's a one-stop solution. You don't have to focus on any other link.
The
Also, you'll get.
recorded video will be there. It is very nice, sir.
Correct, correct. And also you don't have to you don't have to wait for any other link that you have not received the link for the next class or something like this. Everything will be available on the dashboard. You just have to log in and all the things will be visible to you. You don't have to bother about the link has not been received to you. Acha, one more thing, please focus. There will be no link sharing. All the classes, if you have to attend, you just have to log in and then only you will be able to attend. If other students would don't have the access, they will not be able to attend the live classes. You should have you need a credential to attend the classes on Impartus platform and also to watch the recorded sessions.
So do we have to log in now or we will do it later?
You can try it. I mean, just on a safer side. I mean, for not going through any last minute hassle, you can just try to log in. If you are able to log in, then all the things will be visible to you. Just first check whether your credentials, you have received the credential, whether it is working or not. Just focus on it for the time being.
Sir, I have tried, sir, to log in, but it is showing that your email ID does not exist, sir.
Have you received the credentials?
Yes, sir. From that link only, I have opened from Chrome and I have applied for a login.
Sir,
And
I can change my password, sir.
Yes, yes, you can change the password as well. So there is a process. I mean, once you click on top right hand side, there is a process to change password as well. I mean, that also you can do. Yashir, can you please share your screen and try to do the login so that I'll be able to guide you right away?
sir, actually, right now I am using, sir, I am attending the class in phone. Sir, wait a minute, sir. Network issue is also there.
Achha. Yashir, just
Some,
try it out. I mean, just enter the correct email ID. You must be entering might be you must be entering some incorrect email ID. Just try it out with the correct
sir,
email ID.
I have not entered said email ID. Actually, the details which I have got in mail, login ID
Right.
and password.
Can you please tell me right away, or you can just share it? Okay, just a moment, Gashi. Just stay in the session. Once we are done, I'll guide you. For
Okay,
others,
okay.
do you have any problem? Or do you have any
Sir, I
query?
didn't
Please.
get the login, sir.
Sorry.
I didn't get
Sir,
any login.
that's
Sir, I can't get any mail.
I also didn't get any mail, sir.
I also,
In-
sir.
I hope you all have checked the spam box as well as the
Yes,
inbox
sir.
thoroughly.
Yes, sir, I
I checked.
checked my spam box, but I can't get.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
So everyone, who have not received the, mail, send your, name and updated mail ID to your class representative so that we will update the mail ID from the back end.
Okay, sir.
Indrajit, you had any query?
Sir, I got the mail in 7 December. That's the mail.
Yes,
yes,
that
yes,
is
yes,
right.
yes. 7 December, sir. 7 December.
Correct. So, for those who have not received the credentials, please reach out to your class representative. They will help you out. Others, if you have any query, please let us know, or otherwise we can wind up the session.
Sir, and please, sir, let me know about the iOS thing. Okay, sir. That schedule thing.
Shubham, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dharan, I hope you have taken his credential. His number, you have jotted it down, right?
Who's Shubham Islam, right?
Right,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yes, I have, the number. I'll
Shubham
just
will reach
text
out
you
to
in the
you.
WhatsApp. You can let
Will
me
reach
know
out to
the
you.
mail IDs.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Sir,
sir.
sir, I have already logged in and I've checked that it is okay. But I'm telling that do we have to log in again when the classes are scheduled?
I mean, it depends whether you have saved the credential or not. If you have saved the credential, then it will not ask you again for the login. How you are trying to log in, Sohini? Is it through mobile or the laptop?
Yeah, from mobile.
No,
Yeah,
then you don't have to do a login again. You will be logged in by default.
Okay.
So we can wind up the session. Yashir, please stay in the session. Others, if you don't have any query, you can just leave the session. Thank you very much for joining the session. Happy learning.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.